Thai tea, shave ice, is a very refreshing star anise, cardamom, and orange infused Ceylon tea that is frozen into a puck and made into snow with the Kitchenaide ice shave attachment. Then layered with brown sugar, Grande Mariner simple syrup for sweetness, and a reduction of coconut milk, cinnamon sugar for a creamy frosting texture as the shave ice slowly melts. Serve with a hot buttered rum wafer roll for a buttery, sweetly spiced cookie, perfect for dipping into the fun-to-eat shave ice treat. To make about 800 grams or enough star anise, cardamom, and orange infused Ceylon tea to make 4 200 milliliter frozen iced tea pucks. Bring to a boil 850 grams water with the peel of a navel orange, a star anise pod, and 6 cardamom pods. Simmer for 5 minutes, then add 20 grams of Ceylon black tea. Turn off the heat and allow to steep for another 5 minutes before straining. When cool, divide between the ice puck molds and freeze hard overnight. To make about a cup of cinnamon sweetened condensed milk, blend 6 grams Ceylon cinnamon with 60 grams turbinado sugar and sift into a fine powder. Then add a 400 milliliter can of coconut milk to a saucepan with the Ceylon cinnamon sugar and bring to a gentle boil, whisking out any lumps, and continue to simmer until the coconut milk begins to thicken and is reduced to a cup, about 10 minutes. Allow it to cool and transfer to a squeeze bottle. To make 4 ounces or a half cup of Grande Mariner brown sugar simple syrup, bring to a boil 50 grams water, 50 grams demerara sugar, and 30 grams or an ounce of Grande Marnier liqueur. When the sugar is dissolved, transfer it to a squeeze bottle and allow it to chill completely before using. To make about 2 cups of hot buttered rum wafer cookie batter, or enough to make 4 dozen 10-gram cookies, finely grind 100 grams turbinado sugar with 5 grams dried ginger, a dried vanilla bean, 10 grams Ceylon cinnamon, and sift out any lumps. Then beat 2 eggs and continue to mix in the spice sugar, followed by 110 grams melted butter, 50 grams of a good quality rum, 30 grams or an ounce of Grande Marnier, 15 grams or a tablespoon of Galliano liqueur, and 3 grams salt. Then mix in 85 grams pastry flour to create a smooth batter and refrigerate until ready to use. Then preheat your waffle cone maker to about 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Add a tablespoon of batter to the center of the grill and close the lid. Set the timer for 1 minute and 45 seconds. When the batter is cooked to a golden brown color, work quickly to roll the wafer cookie around a metal straw, pressing down on the end to help the cookie hold its shape and allow to cool. The hot waffle iron needs to be approached in a delicate way. Using heat-resistant gloves under food-safe disposable ones are good for heat-sensitive fingers. When I roll the wafer around the straw, I am barely touching it and working quickly to avoid the metal straw becoming too hot. A stainless steel straw is easy to remove after the cookies cool and is dishwasher safe. The temperature of the puck will determine the texture of the shaved ice. The closer the puck is to room temperature without melting will give the softest texture. After about 10 minutes, the puck should easily release into the attachment. Then line up the spring-loaded plate with the marks indented into the puck. Place a cup underneath and turn your mixer on to full speed to slice the ice. Halfway through, add a little syrup and frosting and shave more onto the top. Pack down gently into the cup and top with more syrup and frosting to taste. Serve with hot buttered rum wafer cookies.